Hello guys and welcome back to Ollie's on the Ball. Today we're here at the BBL between the Thunder and Hurricanes. Earlier in the week there was no result against these two, but the sun's out, it's been a lovely day and looking forward to some cricket, and hopefully Hurricanes can get up and make it 5 in a row. Let's go. So if you didn't know, Hurricanes are bowling first. Hopefully we can get them out early, but come on Hurricanes, let's make it 5 in a row. Constance, can he get a wicket? Here he comes. Oh, and they'll get a single. Not a bad start. So I think David Warner's already broken his bat, which is kind of crazy given we're only 3 overs in. Not a bad start from either team. Thunder none for 19 after 3.1. that's innings break, and pretty competitive total from the Thunder. 164, David Warner with 88 helped them get there, but should be an interesting chase. Here we go, first ball. What's gonna happen? Will there be a wicket? Will there be a six? We'll find out. Here we go, Mohamed Hasnain, first game for the season of the Thunder. Here he comes, Hasnain steams in. Owen.
Catch.
That's on the roof. They're going to need a new ball after that massive Tim David 6. Wowee, that has gone far. And that's it, the Hurricanes win their 5th in a row to go top of the table in BBL 14. Wowee, that's a massive win, 6 wickets, 3 overs to spare, what a win. 4 from 4 at home this season, up the Canes. Let's go Hurricanes! Thanks for watching this Always on the Ball video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for giving these vlogs so much support, and see you next time. Have a good day and see you soon.